Hi everyone. I'm here today with uh, my birthday friendship challenge giveaway, and I have two entries, number 1 and number 2. The first one's from Carla van Gelder. I just want to make sure no one's going to see anybody's address. So this is what Carla sent. It's beautiful. Oh, she's got sparkles in there, and she's stitched around everything. Oh, how nice, Deb. Guess Jack. And she has some little pieces in here. Oh, that's her information. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much. Her YouTube is Unique Whimsey. She's from the United States. That's good to know. And I got some tickets there. And bingo. That's great. Always good to be able to use things like that. And this is her little note. Thank you very much, Carla. That's awesome. So on the back side, and there's more. Oh, nice. Eat well. I should. Travel often. Well, not right now. And love much. And I do. That's beautiful. Thank you so much, Carla. And I'm not too with it. I'm just going to, I need to write her number down on the envelope. This is the birthday challenge. She is number 1. And the second one I have is from Cindy Burkhalter. She used to be on my design team when I had one. And she is number 2. Just a little note saying, I hope you enjoy this. Well, she's got her Etsy shop and her YouTube channel. So I will post those below. So she's done a tag. I love it. I love it. Love, love, love it. How cute is that? And there's lines, and I love this stamp. I don't know where you got it from, but I love that stamp. So I only have 2 entries. And I don't know of anyone else that's sending anything. So quite likely we are going to close this off when I had planned, which I believe is, let me see, June the 8th. So there may only be 2 entries. I'm not sure. If there's only 2 entries, then there's only 2 giveaways. My journal and a $25 promo card for my Etsy store. So, yeah. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I love everything. Bye now.